Hello everyone, I'm Sarah from Martin Sweet Group. Today I want to introduce this new machine. Firstly, when you open the box, you will see the whole machine like this. So firstly, you should put this machine on a flat land like this. So you should do one thing. At first, it's like this to press the brake like this. Okay, so make sure this machine won't move anymore. Okay, later I will introduce you every part of this machine. For this part, the most important part is the operation box. For this part is the filtering device, and here is the heating and mixing tank. And you can see on the bottom here is the honey pump. Okay, now I will tell you how to use this machine. For the tank, there are two parts. For the up is to store the honey, and the bottom is two layers to store the water. So firstly, you should put water inside like this. I will show you. Just use one bottle of water like this. Yeah, put it inside. And then you can see the water level. When it's full, then stop. Okay, next is open the box. When you receive the machine, we won't provide wire, so you need to prepare by yourself. So you should connect the wire like this, and then push the button on. So now it's power on, so be careful. Close the operation box. And then you should open the lid of this tank. So you can see how many honey inside the tank. Okay, then you should prepare the honey into a pail or tank like this. Okay, then I will press the button so it will input honey from here. Okay, like this. Next is, what about these buttons? I show you. Here, you can see here, is the speed control of the mixer machine, mixer tank. And here is the button of the honey pump. So, when you want to mix and heating honey in a tank, you should press the button of the honey pump first, like this. So you can see here, this is the temperature of the water inside here. And here, you can adjust the temperature of the honey. Press down, up, down, like this. Okay, and then when you want to speed it up, you should firstly press this button, run, and then adjust the speed like this. Just switch the buttons like this. Then I think you can hear it's working. Okay. Here. Okay. I set the temperature at 60 degrees centigrade of this honey. So when the temperature up to 60 degree centigrade, so the temperature will stop at the 60 degrees centigrade, won't go up anymore. When eating works, you should close the lid to be safe. Okay, when you see here the temperature reached, the temperature you need, you should stop. First, stop the mixing button and stop the heating button like this. And then next step is you should output the honey. So press the valve like this. First, second. Okay, and then press the button. Honey will flow out from the honey outlet like this. For this honey, you can use the filling machine to fill it in the bottle or jar directly. So it's very easy for you to do it, right? Okay, that's all. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.